Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for near price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart, we have three waves up for near. We have a wave A potentially or wave W. Of course, we are looking for ABC after it as corrective wave for a wave B or a wave X here. And after both case scenario, you would like to see, of course, higher prices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have an impulse here potentially, of course, or it can be three waves towards the upside potentially as well. So yeah, it can of course be a confluence between a bullish and bearish scenario. Your bullish is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave C, or potentially as well zigzag, for example, for a wave Y. Now your wave Y can be even something else, but potentially it can be as well three waves up, three waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a normal flat, or it can be even a triangle. Now, if we are, of course, in much more bearish scenario, of course, therefore you want to transfer this, of course, to something three waves up for, of course, three waves down, continuation for three waves up, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a new low. However, currently this is a very far possibility. And why? Because, of course, we are not impulsive. In this wave here, we have three waves down and we have three waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished perfectly in the blue box between the 0.618, 0.786, a perfect fib levels for wave 1 and 2. Meaning, currently, we are looking for this scenario as a 1, 2 here. I think I delete the 1, 2. So we have a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 potentially here. Very potential scenario. Let's put it in the yellow. Here we go. This is a perfect wave 2, finished with a wave C and moving potentially for a wave C for higher. Let's move to the 4-hour chart. In the 4-hour chart, we are looking at this move here toward the downside, which of course we were looking for it to be done and finished, and obviously it has finished in WXY. And that because if this is your wave 5 here, after having 1, 2, 3, 4, not invalidated by the way, 5, only your wave 5 give us, of course, give us the intention here that it's not an impulse anymore because your wave 4 has interfered with your zone 1. If you are in ending diagonal, your wave 3 is longer than wave 1. The only possible scenario is double 1, 2. However, very low possibility so far because we are looking to an impulse here inside this for a wave 1. Actually, it is a leading diagonal as per our last analysis, if you remember in the live stream. And here we go. We got our leading diagonal and we got 1, 2, and we're looking for a wave 3 toward the upside. So I would say near is looking very impulsive toward the upside, and yeah, it might unfold a wave 3 sooner or later. Once you take the high here, it is a 100% confirmation that because of course you got your 5 waves up, you got your wave 3 waves down, and what is missing still yet only is taking the high. If we take a closer look on KGT, we can see that this is a bullish signal exactly taken from the wave 2. Very nice to see, of course. However, yeah, followed by, of course, a bearish signal here without invalidation yet. It looks, it looks convergent. Well, yeah, very close to be invalidated. So meaning, if we take the high again, yeah, as I said as well in the Elliott wave, if we take the high, meaning of course higher confirmation that we're moving for higher, plus it's gonna be an invalidation for this bearish signal, right, which is 500 as well. Yeah, so we have to be careful. Let's take the high and then we confirm, of course, that we're moving for an impulse here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So nothing is still confirmed. Even once we take the high, if we take the high, it is potential that still can be a zigzag, three waves. So if we hit the 1-to-1 fib level and we see retracement toward the downside in three waves, yeah, that means something else is unfolding in a bigger W, X, and a Y. And what do I mean with this? If we got three waves and we move towards the downside, the W might shift to here, the X goes to this side, or stay if you want here, and then we're getting a zigzag or a flat, final flat for a wave Y. Here we go. This is what it would happen. But currently, we cannot shift it yet. We cannot shift it. We have to be patient and to see what's gonna happen. If we move lower from here, could be the same issue, guys. It could be the same. This can transform to something corrective, which I don't like it. It looks like very nice leading diagonal. But yeah, I mean, if the price wants to change, then therefore, of course, we cannot change the market, right? The confirmation again is over there. That was it for NIR. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.